Systolic first, listening tight. Aortic stenosis, harsh mid-right. Carotid radiation, slow to rise. Old man fainting, that's your prize. Mitral regurg blows hollow. Systolic, apex loud, makes it symbolic. Goes to the axilla, backward stream. Could be ischemic or valve dream team. Click then murmur, that's MVP. Young slim chest, Barlow spree. Now diastolic, we slide right through. Aortic regurg, the crescendo boo. Wide pulse pressure, heads in sync. Bound in pulse, water hammer link. Mitral stenosis, snapped and low. Rumbling roll with a rheumatic glow. Time it, place it, feel the thrill. That murmur's talking, listen for the kill.